Okay, express the number in fraction notation. So here we have 95 and 25 hundredths. So what we do is we look at the number before the decimal place. That's the whole number, 95. Okay, and the number that comes after the decimal, that's the fraction. Okay, and the trick to it is just read the number, like ignoring any zeros that come between the decimal and the number, and then just read the number. So it's 25. We put that in the numerator, 25. And then the last decimal place tells what the denominator is. Okay, that's tenths, and this is hundredths, so the denominator is 100. Okay, we don't have to reduce this because what we're doing is we're just writing in fractional notation, which the denominator is always going to be tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, and so on. Okay, so you don't need to reduce. If you do reduce, it'll still say you're right, but it has to be, it's either like this with 100, 1,000, 10, 10,000, whatever, powers of 10 as a denominator, or it has to be fully reduced. Okay, so if you wrote this as the answer, it would be fine. If you fully reduced it, it would be 1/4. Okay, so 95 and 1/4. But leave it like this. Okay, so there's no whole number, right? So don't put 0 here in the whole number, just leave it blank. Okay, we're not going to express a whole number. And then we ignore any zeros that come before the first digit, right? So ignore all the zeros, and we have 3. Okay, so that's our numerator, and our denominator is going to be what the last decimal place is. Okay, so that's 10,000ths. Tenths, hundreds, thousandths, 10,000ths. So the denominator is going to be 10,000ths. Okay. All right. The whole number is what comes before the decimal, so I fill in the whole number. So 712, decimal place, and, okay, so we're going to have and. 4 is our numerator, and the denominator is going to be thousandths. Okay, because the last decimal place is thousandths. All right, we'll do this one last one. So the whole number is 0, and then you ignore any zeros that come before the number. So we read the number 11, so the numerator is going to be 11, and the denominator is going to be what the last decimal place is, okay, which is tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, like that. Okay, and that's it. And that's how we express decimals in fractional notation. Stay tuned for level 2. I'm just going to do this last one. Okay, last decimal place is the thousandths place. Thousandths. Have a good day.